Hi guys, I'm coming to you from an uncharted territory. Well, for me anyways. We're at the Vineland Premium Outlets. I'm about to go into the Disney Character Warehouse, see what they have in there, see if they have anything good. And I'm taking you guys with us. So are you ready? Let's go. Alright, doesn't look very busy. It's a Friday. It is, what, about 11:30 in the morning. And there's a good amount of people here, but not a whole lot. But we're gonna go check that warehouse out. Woohoo! Obi wants to go see his girlfriend. Look at this, $15.99. I remember when these came out. And then of course they still have Christmas. Yes. Yep, still got a lot of Christmas stuff here. Alright, so the store's not very busy. And these are the boys' clothing and pop figures. Oh, they got a lot of the Neomos. The guys' t-shirts, still a lot of red. Not a lot of big sizes at all. And, oh, look at, they got basketball shorts. I think those are kids. For $9.99. And then you can play basketball. I got a bunch of the M&M Rice Krispie treats. Those might be good. Have to check that out maybe. I remember when these ears came out, I didn't like them. And they do have Ren Mickey magic bands. Look at the Doonies. $134 for Cruella de Vil. The dog ones over here, the Christmas dogs, are $150.
I can't believe that. Yours is better than that one.
Alright. I think this is Loungefly. I think it is. It is $40 for it. There's all the expensive dresses here. These ones go for $226. These ones are $71 for the robes. That's expensive. That's why they still have them. Ink and paint sweatshirts still here for still $45. That's why they're still here. There's a cover-up. Oh, cover-up's free? Let me see. Oh, here we go. $28. Still have stationery for $14.99. I remember when it was $7.99. We got clip bags there for $5.99. $12.99 for the Mickey Mouse headbands. If they were cheaper, I would get it, but too much. Some Halloween candles left. Some of the little girls' clothes and kids' clothes are right there. And the Neomos. This looks like a Christmas. That wheel was doing it. Okay, this looks like a Christmas outfit. These ones are $8.99. And then, what is this, from New Year's? I think so. And then they got the Spirit Jersey ones on the other side, but those they want $12.99 for? No, $8.99. Okay, I've seen one that's $12.99. I don't know where I got that from. Alright, so $8.99 for that. Still got plenty of letters, stuff, you know, personalized things. Overall, the clothing, not much has changed. Still have a rack of Star Wars, and we have a rack of Disneyland Spirit jerseys, which are still $45. Oh, a Buzz Lightyear, that one's a different one. And these mugs are $21. Bye-bye. Alright, this was from Dumbo, the classic. Look, there's Dumbo inside there. But wait, Hunchback. There he goes. Peekaboo. Autographed books, Marvel, $7.99. The other ones are $1.99. Pixar's $3.99. Alright, they have some shirts here, which obviously is a woman's shirt. All they have them are in 2X. No. This glows in the dark, this shirt. And then this shirt is from the Sanders sisters. Those are still here. But this shirt here, it's got two shirts. Kind of nice in a way. But they want $14.99 for it. And this shirt is still, oh, it's $9.99. Got some Spirit jerseys for kids, some hats. Oh, they still have mugs left. I mean, I can't believe they've got this Halloween stuff here still. It's been here. You need to go down on the price and then you'll get rid of them. Following behind my mom and granny. More chip clips. $9.99 for these ones. The ones that look like mini hands, I think, were $5.99. 2020 photo frame, still 99 cents, $10. You want a hat? Anybody want a hat? $14.99. And they've got more of these M&M Rice Krispie treats. I might get one. They got, oh, there's Skittles. There is M&M's. And these are all Skittles. This sucks. I paid $4.99 for it the other day when, well, what was it, about 2 weeks ago I was here? They had to mark them down. They got too many of them. And got Chippendale veggie chips still. More ears. As always, when you're seeing this screen, it's because I either didn't do an ending or I lost the ending. Which in this case, I lost it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. And if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here. And I love you all. Bye.